It's a big day ahead of us. Time to wake up.
I haven't eaten since yesterday rice.
You can't live without rice? You haven't had any rice? Rice is life, isn't it?
Since yesterday I'm having rice and I'm driving crazy.
We need rice over here, stat.
We have
Rice.
So maybe I will just order because for sure we will go to have a pizza later on there. And you will have another burgers, fries. And I can concentrate. Really, is it my day be a boring day without rice?
Alright, hello everybody. So let's see, today's Saturday, February 19th. And May and I are getting a quick bite to eat before we head out to Niagara Falls, which is where we're going to stay for the weekend. And yeah, it's been an interesting trip for me so far. This is my first time out of the country. I'm in Toronto, Canada. And last night was a lot of fun. We went to where the Toronto sign was and where the ice rink is. And it was snowing last night and we were freezing our asses off. You didn't even just order a side of rice. You like got the full meal. That's hilarious. So see, you were hungry.
I am not hungry. I need rice.
Well, then why didn't you just order a side of rice? Then why didn't you just order a side of rice? Just order a side of rice.
It's more cheaper to buy this combo.
See, I always try to be careful, like, when I eat and what I eat. Because when I eat, then I have to go to the bathroom. Does that happen to you? Like, after you eat, you're like, oh man, now I need to use the restroom. No? Maybe it's a Randy thing, I'm not sure. Heading to Niagara, it's going to be about a 3-hour, I think we're taking the train. Yeah, we're looking forward to it. It's still taking me a while to get used to this cold weather that's outside. When I come inside, I'm like really hot, wearing everything. And May's grabbing a comb right now because we don't have a comb. But it's like, I don't know if we need a comb if we're gonna like wear head stuff all the time. Anyways, all right. She's grabbing her stuff now.
We appreciate it very much if you hit that like, subscribe, and notification icon below.
Did you find what you were looking for?
Yep.
Sweet. Let's rock and roll.
$30
$30? $30? Holy smoke.
for a comb.
Jeez. That thing better be made of some rare material. Man-made rare material or something, I don't know. Let's see if we can make it to the train on time. Do you think we're gonna make it on time? Yeah? No problem, no worries?
No worries.
When they calculate that 16 minutes, do you think they calculate it based on how we walk? All right.
Are you running or walking?
I'm walking. Yeah, see, I'm probably gonna go a little bit slower now because I'm full from eating. It's so funny how your thing just like rolls on the ground like that. Mine doesn't do that. Back home. Thank God for automatic doors. Woo! Whoa! You got it? You good?
Yep.
All right.
I'll check my card.
So, is this the train we're supposed to catch over here?
Yep. And we will go to Union Station.
Union Station, huh? Yeah? Okay, we're good. Okay, so you use your card. This is the first time I've ever done this. Oh,
Take to the
where are you
other
going?
one. Because we need to pass.
Alright, so let's see. Let me get my card. And I'm gonna tap it. Right? Cool. Here we go.
Give me your card.
Are you gonna take my card? Now I'm gonna be stranded.
Good for you. We will stay here forever.
Yeah, just remember smoking under our tree.
We made it.
Yeah.
We made it. Alright. So 3 hours you say?
Yeah.
Okay. So do we make it?
I don't think so.
No. So wait, are you saying that the 12:45 or whatever is a different train?
Miss it.
It's a different train, huh? It's not this. The other
Next
train.
station is
Yeah.
This train.
Way to go, we're gonna miss it.
But we need
We're gonna miss
3
our train.
stops.
We're gonna have to get a different one. This is the first time I've ever ridden this subway.
Good for you.
Ever.
It's more fun. I love to travel like this.
How much does it cost for us to ride this where we're going?
$3.25
Each?
arriving at
So like $7.
King Station. Doors will open on the right.
Oh, King. See? This is where we're at, right?
Yep.
Sweet.
Just one station and then we have to get off. And then we have to run, like really run. We'll see if we
Do we have
can
to run?
catch up.
Okay, just be safe. We don't want to trip. All right, we're gonna make a run for it.
Yep. We'll see. We're already late for 1 minute, so if we can't make it, it's okay. But we
See how
will
good.
try, okay? At least we try.
Line 1. One on.
We're fine. Whoops. Okay. We good? There's Dan, is it?
Where's the boat?
Up the escalator. Thank you. You think we'll make it? I don't think we will. But hey, I'm an optimist. Doesn't sound like it, does it? Wait, this way? Yeah, you have my Here, let me get the There we go. Thank you. Let's see if we make it, guys. We're running late. We already missed our 11 o'clock one, so we decided to get a bite to eat. But now that we ate something, we went longer to get the next one. Do you know which platform number it is? No. Because we're at 1312.
Union Station. They don't.
Burlington, right there. Burlington, Lakeshore West.
Yes. We have to wait.
Alright. Well, now we're not rushing. So when in doubt, what do? We go ask for help. That way you don't spend hours trying to figure out what you're doing. May's got this all figured out. She's reliable. All right, May, so what did we find out? It's 1 o'clock now. We missed our 12. We missed our 12:45, right?
Because rice is life.
Rice is life. Rice comes, hey guys, rice is more important than catching your train.
Yeah.
All right, so.
I'm not going to trade it. Now my eyes is so clear because I eat rice.
And that's what's important.
And that is more important. Or
I
else everything
agree.
is blurry.
I don't want you to have blurry eyes.
Yep.
Well, at least now we're not rushing.
Agree. Now we have to relax.
All right, so it's 1 o'clock.
Ouch.
1:45 is when we believe that the train's going to come in. So we're going to look at that sign right before it comes in
Yeah.
and see if it gives us our platform. Hopefully it gives us the right platform.
Yep, it is.
And then,
If not, I will really complain. Hey, why did you put some information that's incorrect? That's not good. We missed another hour.
yeah, I don't know why they wouldn't know what platform it's going to. That doesn't make sense to me. So we'll see. All right, at least we know. We have time to kill. 30 minutes.
We have 1 hour.
Well, I was trying to get a shot of the map, but the reflection that they have going on this map right here to capture this is unbelievable. Sorry about that.